Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to download and install shaders for Minecraft 1.21.7. For this, we need Iris shaders. Select the first tab and go in. Here we need to download the universal jar file. Here it is. I have it right now, along with the shaders you need. For example, I'll choose complementary shaders. Go to the second site, click on files, or you can go to the first site, and I need the latest file because it supports version 1.21.7. There. But you can download other shaders too, of course. Open our jar file, select our version 1.21.7. If you don't have it here, then just download Iris separately as its own file. As a jar file. You can do this through CurseForge. Files version 1.21. 7. It's here somewhere. 1.21.6 or 8 will also work. So click Install. After selecting the version, click Install and you'll see the Complete tab. Then go to the launcher, click Installations, select our version, and open the version folder. Go to Shader Packs, drop our shaders here, and select them in-game. Also, if you don't have version 1.21.7 available for Iris, try downloading a different Java version or Java fix. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye everyone.